Friends, welcome. So sorry, yesterday I was little busy, so unable to come online, and I'm coming regularly at 7:30 Indian Standard Time online and answering your questions. For a technical discussion for 10 minutes. 7:30, you can join me daily. Let others join. We'll start some few announcements to make, and this is all about the tutorials, whatever we upload and whatever we discuss. Based on your feedbacks and all, we continue our learning process, and we accordingly we update also. We focus mostly on Python, then Tkinter. Right now we are more focusing, then database integration to Python. We've been using Tkinter also, data analytics, pandas, numpys. Then we also discuss about web development, so PHP, then HTML, JavaScript. All this you can learn here, and we frequently add the tutorials also. So my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you'll be notified whenever we are adding tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. Last week, 2 days back, we have added one tutorial. There is good feedback on that also, and we have uploaded certain based on the modifications asked. We have also updated it. I'll let you know what the user have asked. And before that we move, I have one more request is, please what next you are focusing, that I will tell you. So what happens, you can, and I have expanded the blog post also by adding more content to the floodgates. So that is what we are going to see. I'll just quickly show you that. Namaste Pratik. We'll continue our TtkBootstrap. So style and all you can learn from here, and we'll be continuing towards creating a, hopefully this weekend I will be working on the customization of the style and all, so that you can learn. And I'm just quickly I will tell you about the floodgates, so that you can use it. So that's quite useful. So we have finished the recently the meter one. So you have seen that. Now we will focusing on the floodgates. Let me just set up it, so I can show you the screen where you are to read it. See this particular URL. If it is not there, I will leave it in the comment. So was this go visit this page, read all the whatever the parameters you can change and all. This entire codes, this is simple, another widget only, and all comments are added also for your easy understanding. Then configure, then you come here, read also how you will take out the data and display it, then how the boot style you can change, all those things you read it. Below this we will be adding the use cases where you will be adding using this, and how you will be updating the value, reflect the changes and all. 2 tutorials are already there, how you will do it. Car enter in while typing in the text, this floodgates will be showing you the progress. So that is it's a visually you will be knowing how much you have entered. So that tutorial is there, you can see that. And moreover, let's just, yeah, so this is something, please follow this, complete this part, so you can read this part. And so more and more applications we are going to build in next 1 week time on this particular floodgates. So request you to thoroughly read this, all the attributes and all, so we can proceed on the building use cases, and where you will be, particularly how you will be database, or the it's just a visual implication. So visually it will able to show you the data. So that's what we will be learning. One more, there was a question last time we are discussed about our countdown timer, where typing speed we have monitored. So we got typing the on the text box. So once the timer is closed or timer countdown is over, then it will tell you how, then it will disable the text box, and it will tell you what speed it was. This we have yesterday, last this 3 days back we have discussed this, and the tutorial also recently we have added. So both were there, and we are regularly 2 days I think we have discussed that. In that, one question was there, when you click the start button, you want the cursor should just stay there on the text box. So text widget, so directly user can write it. Okay, if that you don't want user to go there, add one more step, go to the text widget and start typing. Instead of that, directly cursor will be blinking. So user click the start button and start the typing. So that's what was asked. So I will just show you. It's a one line only. The focus line is to be added. Let me just see whether I can show you that. I am just opening my Visual Studio Code. This is in this you have to add only one line. That will take care of everything. Let me just, yeah, it is there. Remaining amount. Okay, countdown. So return after just a minute. I am just wizard 1 type state disabled, state is disabled, type text, typing speed. Let me just 15 focus. Okay, yeah, here it is. It is there. Let me bring you here. Okay, friends, you see this screen. Let's what I did is I just added this single line, text wizard focus. Now let's run this. Run this and see how this will be. I am just opening this one. Here it is. Now I will set the counter less value so you can easily see that. Now if I will click the start button, automatically the cursor will be on the, here you can see the cursor is there. So I can just type anything and it will, you want this facility to be given. Now it is disabled. I can't type it because time is over. So I will close this. Suppose I don't want this facility to be given. So this what I will do, I will comment this line. Text wizard dot focus. That's all. It's applicable in entry wizard also. If you want to other wherever the inputs are there, this focus attribute will take the focus to there. So let's just once now I have disabled it. So what I have to do is run it again. Now let me bring it here. Fine. Now if I'll start it also, it is not automatically. I have to click here. I clicked here, then okay. So for character, fine. So this is the speed. So now this is by adding this particular line, text wizard. Text wizard is the text wizard object what I have created here. Here in this line, initially it is disabled. So then it is enabled here. So this is how it will work. So I hope this this question answered here. This was a question asked by a user. So let's just come back to our discussion. Let me close the other things. So it will back to our discussion. Fine. That's all, friends. So you can see this. We have that is based on your questions. We have slightly modified our answer also. So you can, like that, you can ask me questions based on your questions. We modify the script also. And next week we'll be focusing on the floodgates. So that's what we have seen. Read it once. All comments are there. Everything. Anyway, you still have some doubts, questions, ideas, anything you have, you put it the question here or below the tutorials. I will be answering that. And some earlier long back we have added some video tutorials on this particular widget, so that you can see, or you can wait for few more use cases we will be uploading shortly. And my request is, once again, please join us at 7:30. We are regularly coming online. So for a technical discussion, tell your friends also to join. And 7:30 evening, Indian Standard Time. So you can join us. And moreover, if you are having any ideas on this particular areas, so I am talking about Python programming, PHP, JavaScript. We are also working on AI tools and all. If you have any ideas or anything, you can post it here, or tell your friends also to join. So this it will be a useful technical discussion. So you can post your questions. We will discuss the issues. So that will help to all of us. That's all, friends. Hope you will be joining me on 7:30 Indian Standard Time regularly. And if you don't have any questions, then we can close the session. 10 minutes, exactly 10 minutes over. So for 10 minutes only our target is. We exceed by 5-10 minutes always. That's all, friends. Namaste to all those who have joined, Pratik and others who are viewing this particular video. Please share this with your friends and thank you for watching.